Welcome to this hands-on tutorial where we'll explore how to perform object detection using OpenVINO. In this notebook, we will see how to use a pre-trained model from the Open Model Zoo to detect horizontal text in images. Object detection is a fundamental task in AI with applications ranging from surveillance to autonomous vehicles and image search. And OpenVINO is an essential toolkit that optimizes these tasks to run efficiently on various Intel devices, ensuring real-time performances. So in this notebook, what we will see is a series of steps that is followed across notebooks, like download installation of packages, downloading the specific model, building the inference pipeline, loading the model, and doing the inference finally. Let's try to run the model and see what happens. As a first step, as I mentioned, we will be importing all the necessary packages and libraries that is required to run the entire notebook. Next step is to actually download the model. Here we will download a pre-trained model from the Open Model Zoo. The models we are using is specifically designed for detecting horizontal text image. So what's great about this model is that it's already optimized for Intel hardware. Thanks to the OpenVINO intermediate representation or IR format, this optimization is really crucial for running AI models efficiently and ensuring they perform well on devices with varying capabilities. As you can see, we have the optimized model downloaded in the model folder here. Now that we have downloaded our model, it's time to choose the devices on which we want to run the inference. OpenVINO allows us to select from a range of devices, including the CPU, GPUs, and more. And if you don't know which devices provide, efficient performance, then we can select auto, and it automatically selects the best performing device on its own. And that's the beauty of OpenVINO. Selecting the right device is key to optimizing performance of our model when it comes to deployment. So as after selecting the device, we load the model into memory and also load an image that we want to analyze. And what you see here is the image where our model will detect the text, which is what the model is supposed to perform, which is object detection. Now comes the most exciting part, performing the actual inference. The model will scan the image and detect any horizontal text boxes. The result is a set of bounding boxes around the detected text. And that is what we'll be finally visualizing. And in the visualization part, the results will be displayed in the form of an image where the detected text boxes are displayed around the text. This step helps us, to verify that the object detection model is performing as required. As you can see, the bounding boxes are clearly marked, making it easy to see what the model has detected. So this tutorial demonstrates how OpenVINO optimizes object detection tasks for real-time applications. And by using these pre-optimized models and leveraging Intel hardware, we can ensure that our AI applications run efficiently and effectively, whether they are deployed on edge devices or in data centers. Thank you.